Now, let's start with your first question is about the potty training. Now, tell me if you are saying that she is diaper trained, is your question does your question mean that you want her to be diaper free?
Yes, yes. I want her to do in the commode normally, not diaper. I don't want to use diaper anymore.
And what happens when you make her sit in a commode
She
now?
she she will cry. She wouldn't sit. If I use iPad or anything, she will look at it, but she wouldn't do. She will cry. She will just feel irritated. She will scream.
Okay. Okay, fine. I got it. So, first thing is that agar aap, if you are targeting or your objective is to make her comfortable on a commode seat, focus on the comfort level to the commode seat only. Don't focus on she actually passing urine or passing for the toileting. Don't target that because it is leading to anxiety. What do I mean by that is, suppose you went to the washroom not during the toilet routine, but apart from the toilet routine. You went to the washroom, you did not use the commode seat for the toileting purpose, but you are actually using it for play. So you put the lid down and you make the child sit on it like a chair. Why are we doing this? Because the first step is to make the child feel not anxious and feel comfortable and accept commode as a part of her daily routine or as a part of an acceptable object in her life. Are you getting my point? Where am I
Yes,
coming
yes,
from?
yes.
You can also use the commode with the lid down to sit and wash the legs. I'm just giving an example that I'm washing your legs. Can you please sit down here? And why am I doing it? Again, for the reason that first I want you to accept the commode as a usual object in your life. Okay. The second would be how to combine it with the time when the urination toilet time is there, when the child is actually feeling like passing, but now the child has got conditioned to the diaper. So what you are going to do is called backward chaining. In backward chaining, you will give the diaper to the child. The child will pass in the diaper itself, which is already happening as of now. Now, even after passing, you will make her sit on the commode seat, which means just before cleaning, you are actually making her sit and clean there. Actually, the child did not pass there, right? The child did not pass anything on the seat. She passed the way she was passing anyhow. But you connected the commode sitting to the last step of toileting activity by making her sit on it and then cleaning her up. Now, suppose she doesn't want to get herself, worst case scenario, I'm saying, although usual children accept it because it's the passing that is the most troublesome or anxious, anxiety related thing for them, for which they are looking for conditioning with the diaper. However, when you are making him sit on the commode for the last step or only for the cleaning, they're probably okay with it because whatever they wanted to do, it's already done. If just in case she's not happy even with the cleaning part, then you clean whatever way you are cleaning already, but still make her sit on the commode seat. So what you are doing is you are connecting the commode seat as an activity, and this is not with the lid down. This is with the actually lid up to the actual toileting task, but not to the actual voiding, not to the actual passing, but after passing. Fine. So that's the step one, and then you will move back, which would mean at the moment I was doing only for the last step. Then I take the child mid somewhere in the midway. I take the child what happens is, if you start doing this and the barrier breaks, the child doesn't even realize that whether you have taken her to the toilet seat in the end of the voiding, in the middle of the voiding, or at the beginning of the void. It's all okay for them then, because it's already, the barrier for it has already broken. But before that, you'll have to spend considerable amount of time on the commode seat for n number of reasons. Okay, let's go and play pretend play. Okay, and let's take our doll there, and the doll wants to do, potty, and she wants to sit in the commode seat. Fine. If you have to do that, you have to do that as well. Pretend play. Connect pretend play to the actual toilet seat with a doll. All it is all good. You have to make her first comfortable with it.